Hey brats, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Gina and I am the Intruder Brat. Quick recap. We are in Tennessee and last week we went to the Grand Ole Opry and we got a tour. This week we are spending 24 hours in Nashville. Let's see what we get up to.
Give that a flip.
Say cheese. No smile. Downtown Nashville, chilling at the Harvey. What is it? Harvey Davidson. Chilling at the Harvey Davidson. I've considered motorcycles. I have, but as of right now, it's a no. Maybe later on in the future. Oh God. I'm just trying to vlog here and everybody's just doing so much. Oh God. $330. Hey, I didn't know boots were that expensive. But